Welcome to another maths video. In this video, we'll be looking at solving simple linear equations. The first question, solve the equation x plus 6 equals 20. Our first step is basically to get rid of that plus 6 by doing the inverse. The inverse of plus is to minus. So what we do is x plus 6 minus 6 equals to 20, and whatever we do on one side of the equation we also do it on the other side to keep it balanced, so we put minus 6 as well. So we write back our x. 6 take away 6, that gives 0, so I'm left with x on my left hand side, and now I have 20 take away 6, that gives me 14. Now we'll be looking at a second example, and in this second example we're doing x take away 7 equals 6. Again, we're solving for x, so we need to get rid of this minus 7 that's on the left hand side. In doing so, we need to do the opposite of minus, so we add 7 to both sides. So we have x minus 7 add 7 equal to 6 add 7. So if you realize, we add 7 to this side, we add 7, which therefore means that x minus 7 plus 7, that gives 0, so it goes equal to 6 plus 7, that gives 13. Let's look at a third example. We have 7t equals 21. Again, I'm trying to solve for my unknown, which is t. So I need to get rid of that 7. If you realize this 7t is the same thing as 7 times t. The 7 is being multiplied by the t, which means that the inverse of multiplication is division. So what I need to do now is to divide both sides of the equation by 7. So 7 divided by 7, that gives me 1, which means that I just have 1t, which is just t. And now I have 21 divided by 7, that gives me 3. And our final example for this video, we're looking at x divided by 9 equals to 4. Again, I'm trying to solve for my unknown, which is x. The x is being divided by the 9, which therefore means I need to do the opposite of division, which is to multiply. So in order to get rid of that 9, I need to multiply both sides of the equation by 9. So I do times 9 times 9. These will go. So I'm left with x equal 4 times 9 equals 36. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.